Hello, traders. Thank you so much for joining us in today's live stream. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for over 3 years now. And what I do in my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you as much blah blah blah. Sorry, traders. I share as much information pertaining to price action, and I also give you guys any trading opportunities or trading concepts or ideas that I personally am interested in on the day. So that sounds interesting, guys. Sit back, relax. Let's get right into today's session. So first off, let's start off with some updates, okay, pertaining to the forex side. So I spoke to you guys yesterday about two opportunities that I'm focusing on. Okay, so one of them is quite interesting. So for AUD JPY, we were focusing on the buying opportunity, and the market moved in such a beautiful manner towards our TP targets. This is such an amazing, beautiful move. I really hope you guys were able to not necessarily enter it, but at least you guys were able to study the ideas and the concepts that I shared with you guys. Oh, I believe it's going up. Why I believe is going up. Bulls are currently present. Again, then you guys are able to watch that move, because that's the most important part. Is I want you guys to be able to really learn price action as soon as possible, so that it will be able to help you out as much as possible in trading. Okay, so that's for AUD Just a very simple update that our analysis was on point. Okay, use this CAD. This one we were focusing on the selling opportunity, but right now I'm focusing on buys. Okay, I was essentially waiting for price to come back inside the zone to take out these targets. First one taken out already. Doesn't mean the zone is invalid. I still have a chance for price to come back like this and then probably move towards the upside. This can still happen. However, I will be waiting for that potential opportunity. However, for the selling option, okay, I did take a screenshot to make sure I update you guys. Price went to take out both of our TP points before making a move towards the upside. So our buyers, okay, yesterday we were analyzing the market around this level here. So the moment when New York session about to open, price went and take out both of our TP targets. You can see TP targets, and then we moved all the way towards the upside. So this is still a very successful trade, because price went to take out our targets first prior to breaking our zone. Nevertheless, yeah, good job, traders. I just want to inform you guys. I want to update you guys now. But now I'm focusing on a buying opportunity for USD CAD, because uh, bulls are currently present inside of the market. Hence, I'm just waiting for this zone for price to actually come inside this level. But I do have very good opportunities today, that I want to highlight. Hi, teacher. Good evening. Hello, good evening. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Today, finally, we're doing early bit live stream. Happy. Okay, so the good opportunity that I'm very, very interested in is this one. So, Euro GBP. So, for Euro GBP, right? Sorry, traders. Excuse me. Euro GBP, I am primarily focusing on a buying opportunity, but not yet. Okay, because price is still moving towards the downside, as you can see. Okay, based on smaller time frames, I'm essentially right now waiting on the smaller time frames to shift and then show me the interest to move towards the upside. I'm really going to be focusing a lot on Euro GBP, because I believe this buying opportunity is very crystal clear, and definitely something that I would like to enter. Therefore, I am focusing on this trade. It's a good one, actually. It's a good one, because a lot of the time frames are aligning for a bullish momentum move towards the upside. Gold dropped so much up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know. It was insane. Managed to capture some profit. I was staying awake. Ooh, yo, so pro, man. I last time used to stay awake. Now no more already for that. Hello, sir. Hello, Mel. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Yeah, yeah. It was so nice. You guys so supportive. Okay, so that's for Euro GBP, and another opportunity we have is CAD JPY. So essentially, I was waiting for a buying opportunity, but this is an ultimate target, which I believe price wants to take out. Price is actually very nearby already. Also, okay, I don't know lah. I don't know if I can get this opportunity or not. Price to come back to this level and then show me potential moves towards the upside. Let's see. We still have some hope, right? We still have some hope. And then I'm seeing this bearish candle, but it doesn't really mean much. I cannot see any potential shift or anything, because I still see, if you can realize the wicks, right? Okay, this level here is very strong and is holding price. See the wicks here, the wicks here, wicks here, wicks here. So there is a very high probability price may not give me that opportunity, but it's okay. I just want to highlight to you guys the very good bullish opportunity. We highlighted this bullish opportunity earlier on when we had this zone. Okay, so it went all the way up. There's another zone, so I believe it'll be going higher lah. But once you reach this ultimate, I won't be interested in CAD already, because that's how we are lah, you know lah. Ultimate, then we don't focus already. Okay, so there's a very good selling opportunity. Not very good, sorry, good potential selling opportunity for gold as well. So this is the one. Okay, up to this target level here, I did have my alarm set to understand when price reach this level or not. Okay, so because bears are obviously currently quite present in the market, but we also have to be aware about any other potential news that may come up, considering that FOMC did shift quite a bit of the big players who were involved in the market, like those that were interested in bears, those that were interested in bulls. Those quite a few of them shifted lah. So I will update you guys today. So which one shifted and all after the news. So that can definitely happen. But however, right now for gold, I see a good selling opportunity lah. Okay, I will be monitoring lah for gold. Hope I can be like this too soon. Definitely can. Just need consistency and practice. That's all. Consistency, practice. Other than that, everything else will fall in place. Just go with the flow. AUD Okay, so AUD this one I just highlighted to you guys already lah. We are focused on buying yesterday. It was very successful. Okay, Euro USD. So this one is a bearish opportunity for now. Yesterday we highlighted for potential bullish opportunity, but right now bears are currently present, and I'm waiting for a potential zone to populate in the market. Since there's no zone yet, we will just stay out for this one for now. But however, as of now, just letting you guys know, bears are present in Euro USD. Euro JPY. Do you guys remember we keep highlighting that I was overall bullish waiting for alignment? The alignment happened, I think today at 5 p.m. I think, no, what time? I think 1 p.m. I think. The alignment happened. Okay, bulls were present, and then shoo, price shoot all the way towards the upside. So essentially, right now, nothing interesting. I'm just waiting for a zone, traders. Okay, even though we are very bullish, there is no entry. How can we enter this, right? So I'm just waiting for a zone to potentially find an entry in the market for Euro JPY, but I'm primarily very focused on Euro GBP. I'm just waiting for something to shift to show me the interest to move towards upside. This is starting, okay, for a bullish move, but not enough for me. For me, personally, not enough for me, but definitely I'm interested in Euro GBP. Okay, where were we now? Not Euro USD. Okay, Euro JPY. This one also same. USD JPY. Overall, we were bullish. We highlighted this. Oh, wow. Just now, I never take out this yet. We take out the second target when I was analyzing. Okay. We do have an ultimate here lah. I hope, again, I do have a potential entry opportunity because I need to wait for a zone to populate. The way how market is moving, I'm not so sure if I will get that zone or not. But I'm still happy lah. We were predicting overall bullish, even though we were moving down. Okay, we never let this confuse us. And then see now the real move happened, and it was towards the upside. So there are ways how we can understand these traders. The way how I do it is essentially my strategy involves understanding who is in power. Is bulls in power or bears in power? So using these concepts and this understanding, I'm able to focus on one side of the market instead of focusing on either buying or selling. So I prioritize my focus towards one direction only instead of seeing, oh, okay, right now, probably we're going to go down, probably going to go up. I don't care about that. I only care about who is the main person in power, and I'll be focusing on that opportunity when it arises. If you guys would like to learn how I understand these concepts and all, my own personal trading strategy, my risk management, everything, I do have my own personal 6-week course. The thing that took me over 3 years to learn, you guys can learn it in less than 2 months' time. So that's my own personal course I have. If you're interested, you guys can reach out to me. I have my WhatsApp link in the description below to find out more details about the course. All right, traders. So nevertheless, we were anticipating for buying opportunity, and I'm very happy on how it actually played out. NZD-JPY. Right now, we have a bullish opportunity. Essentially, we were predicting for a bearish opportunity, but FOMC, like I said, shifted a lot of the big players. Okay, because news is a very very powerful thing, right? Okay, so it did shifted quite a bit of the big players. So right now bulls are present. So we are quite close already to the target. Essentially it was here. Okay, right now we're very nearby, so I'm not so sure if I will get this pullback for potential entry or not. But nevertheless, I'm focusing on a buying opportunity for NZD JPY. AUD NZD. Okay, so this one just turned bearish. Essentially, I was focusing on a bullish opportunity, for this. This is a very nice bullish opportunity. However, market actually turned to be more bearish, okay, around this level instead of bullish. It's not about this big candle, it's something else. There's a way how to see it based on multi-time frame analysis. Again, if you guys want to learn, I do have my own personal course. You guys can reach out to me for it. But bears are currently present. That can change. I hope it changed because I like this bullish opportunity. I still would like to see that bullish move because overall bulls are still present. Same like this ones. Okay, same like this ones. You see, hey, sorry, not this ones. These ones. See, overall I'm bullish, right? I was telling you guys earlier this week. Same thing. Overall I'm bullish. This one also still the same. Even though we had a bearish move change. Overall, I'm still bullish. I'm just waiting for that alignment to happen prior to making a potential entry for AUD/NZD. Okay. Moving on, GBP/NZD. So GBP/NZD, we have a bearish opportunity, but we are just waiting for a zone. I have an ultimate. I highlighted this ultimate because we had very, 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 very nice moves all the way down. I am just waiting for a zone right now, essentially. So I can't see a very yeah, I can't see a clear zone. I wouldn't consider this all as a zone. Nevertheless, I'm pretty sure one will eventually populate for us, and then I can focus on a selling opportunity. But of course, after the market comes to the zone, I will still wait and see if bears are still present or not. Then only I should be interested and focus on selling opportunities. If not, never mind. So that's for GBP NZD, right? Just now, yeah, GBP NZD. Okay, GBP AUD. I'm focusing also on a bearish opportunity. This one I told you guys earlier lah. This first zone, okay, market went down. This second zone, market went down. So essentially, I still found an ultimate, which I believe market may want to go and take out, but it really will depend if I'm able to understand and analyze a zone in the market that may populate or may not populate. We do have one very tiny one here. Okay, I show you guys. Okay, we do have a zone here. So probably when price come up to this level here, okay, hold on. Okay, and then if I see an interest move towards the downside, and then I may focus on sales. I have ultimate. It does not mean, traders. That again, this is not entry. This is just an example. It does not mean I will pull like this. Okay, I don't like to get swap fees. It messes up with my risk management one. Even though it's not as much, even though it's always can cover one, I just don't like it. I'm very specific in terms of the percentage and my calculations and all. I'm very not to say I have a problem with it. It's just like I'm very following a certain SOP that I set based on my risk management plan, and that does not really involve swap fee. One day is fine, but to reach this much, we must understand maybe it will take 2 or 3 days, right? In average, 2 or 3 days. We don't want market to reach like this fast in one day because that would mean something really bad has happened somewhere in the world, and I don't want that to happen. So let market take its time. At least it's slow and steady as long as we understand the bias. So for me, if market respects this level, okay, and we show bears, I will go for 1 to 3, and then we are also closing up on Friday already. Anyhow, so if market does not reach the ultimate by this week, probably I can find an entry for next week. Okay, traders. So that's for GBP AUD. Okay, so I found a bearish opportunity. I'm essentially waiting for a zone. I don't think I can find this enter this opportunity because market is keep on moving down. We have a target here, and I don't see a zone available for me to focus on a selling opportunity. So this is not a great bearish opportunity. So I'm not focusing on longer term movement down for now. That may change tomorrow. I don't know. It depends who is currently controlling the market. But right now, bears are controlling the market, but not everyone. So definitely, I believe this target will be taken out, maybe even lower. Maybe we might even go to this level here. But I'm not focusing on AUDUSD now because I don't see a zone available. But I'm focusing on, but overall, I'm bearish, okay, for AUDUSD. AUDCAD, also another opportunity that I might not enter because there's no zone populated and we are quite close to the target level. This is also quite a strong target level because we do have equal lows here. You guys know, right? I told you equal lows are very strong form of liquidity. So just about understanding the strength of equal lows and how close price is, there's a very high confluence that price will be taking out this target. Not will, there's no such thing as will. Still probability price can do this. Show you, huh? Price can come here and it's only shift all the way up. That's trading. This can happen. Something that it seems so crystal clear can still be wrong. That's trading. That is why we cannot simply blindly enter in the markets. Always be patient in trading. Okay, always follow who is in power right now. I'm letting you guys know bears are in power for UDCAD. So primarily we should be focusing on sales. GBP USD. Okay, so we do have a bearish opportunity. This one has a zone. Uh, I almost entered this, but I didn't because of the risk to reward. So, of course, this is not an entry lah, but you see the risk to reward here. Okay, this is a one-to-one trade. So I personally try to stay away to one-to-one trades. I know I have another target here, but we have to be realistic. The market won't reach this level by today, probably tomorrow. Okay, but this is such a stretch in order to get 1 to 3 risk to reward. So I do understand and believe that price may be heading down. Okay, my analysis is price to move towards the downside. However, I choose not to enter this deliberately because of the risk to reward. Okay, so just sharing with you guys for GBP USD. Okay, Euro AUD. So we do have a bearish opportunity waiting for zone. This one actually I highlighted to you guys yesterday also. So I just want to show you an update. Price took out both of these targets already lah. Okay, during FOMC. Sorry. Did we even update this? This one we highlighted on Tuesday. Monday or Tuesday we highlighted this bearish opportunity. I think we didn't update this because this is Thursday and yeah, this is Thursday right now. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. So I just want to let you guys know I'm still bearish for this opportunity and I'm just waiting for a zone. I don't have any targets because there's no zone populated, so I'm not really focused on Euro AUD lah. Okay. Euro NZD. Okay, so this one is another opportunity that I may enter and I better put it up now because it's in the zone. Okay, so Euro NZD, because we are currently inside of this level, quite close by, but it does not mean that it won't hold. It really does depend on how the market will respect and react. So, like I said, if the market want to respect, it will show. You see, right now we are strongly moving up, right? Smaller time frames, I see we just keep moving up. We're not showing much of respect. Even 1 minute, we're still moving up. Can you see it? We're not really showing that rejection or that or bears are showing their footprint like, hey, I'm here, you cannot move price higher anymore. So we're not seeing that at all, therefore we stay away first. So let's just understand and see if this zone will get poked or not. If yes, what we do, remove the zone, wait for a brand new one. So this is the opportunity also I will be focusing on. So essentially Euro NZD for sales, Euro GBP for potential buys. But you see, same thing, eh? We need that respect. Are we seeing that respect here? Not yet. Not necessarily no. We cannot say no because there's still time, there's still levels. Okay, this is the zone. Only until the zone get poked, then only we consider as no respect. Okay, we just need to wait for a new zone. So let's just wait and understand if the market is ready to move up or not. So, but I'm focusing on Euro GBP and Euro NZD. Euro NZD sells, Euro GBP buys, CAD JPY. I don't know. I will get opportunity now. I don't think so. I'm focusing on buys for CAD JPY. Gold, I'm focusing on sales, but I want to find an entry opportunity and see how for gold. Okay, so I'm because FOMC after that in the news, I will really messed up most of the market. So that's why I thought I will find an entry opportunity, but I'm focusing on sales for gold. AUDGPY, I just update you guys with it. So that's it for the forex side. Again, crypto side, I didn't really went in depth to find potential opportunities for you guys. But what I would do right for the crypto side, I will actually update you guys on my Instagram today. So let me go through the crypto space, okay, the market, and then I will highlight to you guys if there's any entry opportunities or not for which pair, and then I will also highlight why. So do stay tuned to my Instagram stories. I will highlight to you guys later on. My Instagram handle is in the description below if anybody is wondering how can I find you? Okay, it's in the description below. Okay, traders. So I think I will end the live stream here. I want to really start to focus on these potential opportunities that the market is potentially giving to us today. Okay, so for essentially these three lah, Euro NZD, Euro GBP, and also XAU USD. But CAD GPY also I would love to, but I don't think I'll get the opportunity lah. But I'm focusing on buys nevertheless. Okay, traders. So I hope today's live stream was insightful for you as it was for me. Again, as it was for me, as it was for me. Again, if you guys are interested to find out more details about my own course on how I'm able to analyze the market in such a way, what is my trading strategy, my risk management plan, and many more stuff, you guys can reach out to me. I do have my own personal 6-week course. Again, to rephrase, everything I do that took me years to learn, you guys can do it in less than 2 months' time. After these 6 weeks, you guys will be able to trade and understand the market exactly how I do. So if that sounds interesting, you guys can reach out to me. I have my WhatsApp link in the description below just to find out more details about the course. Okay, traders. So I'll catch you all in the very next live stream. Please trade safely. Watch the zones. Do not enter. Okay, really watch and how the reaction is. Only if the market is showing you bears or bulls in the certain levels that I highlighted, only then we can consider to learn from them and potentially enter the market. I do not enter any of them. Everything I share to you guys, I'm just highlighting levels, and I will wait for potential entry opportunity only if the market gives me one. Okay, I have one saying that I highlighted in my Instagram story yesterday. We should only react when the market reacts too. The market doesn't react, we also don't react. Because why? We follow the market. All right, traders. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll catch you all in the very next live stream. Stay safe, traders, and a very good night. Goodbye, guys.